Number 9. The Rubbermaid Spa Works Vanity Wastebasket Trash Bin is a reliable and stylish solution for managing waste in any bathroom or vanity space. Measuring at 10.04 inches, 13.18 inches, 7.4 inches, this compact yet functional wastebasket offers convenience without compromising on style. Constructed by Rubbermaid, a renowned manufacturer, this product exudes quality and durability. The clear design of the wastebasket allows it to seamlessly blend into any decor, while also enabling users to easily monitor the fill level. The item's unisex adult department classification makes it suitable for anyone seeking a high-quality, versatile wastebasket solution. Its popularity, evidenced by its ranking as the #1 bestseller in wastebaskets, showcases its appeal to a wide audience. As a product designed and manufactured in the USA, the Rubbermaid Spa Works Vanity Wastebasket Trash Bin boasts a level of craftsmanship associated with American-made goods. Its availability further reinforces the convenience